Welcome back to Thiaa's kitchen. Someone asked us to make shawarma. Let's dive into it. So guys, our ingredients are chicken, mayonnaise, carrots, ketchup, cabbage, sausage, pita breads, and seasoning. So guys, I'm gonna heat up our already cooked chicken in a pan of oil. So it's time to prepare our shawarma sauce. So this is me adding ketchup to a bowl. Then we will add our mayonnaise into the same bowl of ketchup. So guys, we are now mixing our chicken, cabbage and carrots into our mix of ketchup and mayonnaise all together. We're going to add our shawarma mix on our pita bread and add sausage and roll gently. We're going to warm up our shawarma on low heat in a pan. Our homemade chicken shawarma is ready.